Indoor plants bring freshness, color, and natural beauty into any space while improving the overall atmosphere of your home. From bold tropical leaves to unique patterns and textures, foliage plants can transform a simple corner into a vibrant green paradise. In this video, we'll explore unique leaf indoor plants with stunning designs and eye-catching foliage that can instantly elevate your indoor decor. Let's get started. Begonia masoniana is a true statement piece for indoor plant lovers because of its dramatic textured leaves and striking dark cross pattern. The bright green foliage, combined with its unique bumpy surface, gives it an artistic and exotic appearance under indoor lighting. Unlike ordinary houseplants, this begonia creates a bold tropical vibe while staying compact enough for shelves or tabletops. It thrives in warm, humid corners and instantly attracts attention with its unusual leaf design. Its rare texture and eye-catching contrast make it feel more like a living artwork than just another indoor plant. Calathea orbifolia is one of the most elegant indoor plants because of its large round leaves decorated with soft silver-green stripes that look hand-painted. Its oversized foliage instantly adds a calm tropical feel to living rooms, bedrooms, or office spaces. Unlike many common houseplants, this calathea stands out with its graceful movement as the leaves gently lift and fold slightly at night. It thrives in warm, humid indoor conditions and loves indirect light, making it perfect for cozy corners. The smooth texture, soothing colors, and luxurious appearance make it feel like a natural piece of indoor decor. Polka dot begonia. It turns heads instantly with its angel wing leaves sprinkled in bright silver spots that almost look painted by hand. The rich green surface and deep red undersides create a dramatic color combination that makes this plant stand out even from a distance. Its tall, elegant stems give indoor spaces a stylish tropical look without taking up too much room. Under soft indoor lighting, the spotted foliage appears even more vibrant and artistic. This begonia adds personality, texture, and a luxurious decorative feel, making it a favorite choice for plant lovers who enjoy bold and unusual foliage plants. Watermelon peperomia or Peperomia argyrea is admired for its round glossy leaves that beautifully resemble the pattern of a watermelon rind. The striking blend of silver and deep green stripes gives this compact plant a fresh and vibrant indoor appearance. Its tidy growth habit makes it perfect for desks, shelves, or tabletops without occupying much space. Unlike large tropical plants, it adds charm in a small and elegant form. This plant thrives in bright indoor conditions and instantly enhances home decor with its unique striped foliage and modern tropical appeal. Aglaonema pictum tricolor stands out instantly because of its incredible camouflage patterned leaves that resemble military print artwork created by nature. The mix of dark green, light green, and silvery shades gives each leaf a detailed pixel-like design, making no two leaves look exactly alike. Its exotic appearance adds a rare rainforest vibe to indoor spaces while remaining compact and decorative. Under soft indoor lighting, the textured foliage becomes even more striking and dramatic. This plant is highly loved by collectors because of its unusual patterns, artistic beauty, and ability to turn even a simple plant corner into a tropical display. Caladium. It brings a burst of color indoors with its vibrant heart-shaped leaves painted in shades of pink, red, white, and green. The thin, delicate foliage looks almost like watercolor artwork, making this plant feel bright, cheerful, and highly decorative. Its bold colors instantly refresh indoor spaces and create a lively tropical atmosphere on shelves, tables, or window corners. Unlike ordinary green plants, caladium becomes the center of attention with its dramatic patterns and soft translucent texture. It grows beautifully in warm humid conditions and adds an artistic, exotic charm that makes any indoor plant collection look more vibrant and stylish. Philodendron Melanochrysum variegated. It creates a luxurious tropical look indoors with its long velvety leaves splashed in glowing shades of orange, lime, and deep green. The rich texture of the foliage gives the plant a soft shimmering effect under indoor lighting, making it look exceptionally rare and elegant. As the leaves mature, the dramatic color contrast becomes even more striking and artistic. This climbing philodendron instantly transforms plant corners into a collector-style display with its bold, exotic presence. Its unusual variegation and velvet finish make every leaf look unique, giving the plant a premium and highly decorative appearance indoors. African mask plant or Alocasia amazonica. It adds a bold, dramatic touch indoors with its dark, glossy leaves marked by striking white veins that look almost hand-drawn. The sharply shaped foliage gives this plant a mysterious and sculptural appearance, making it stand out instantly in any room. Its upright growth and tropical character create a rich jungle-like atmosphere without needing a large space. Under indoor lighting, the deep green leaves develop an eye-catching shine that enhances their exotic beauty. This plant feels both elegant and powerful, making it a favorite choice for people who love unique foliage with a strong visual impact. Prayer plant, Marantha leuconeura. It brings a soft tropical charm indoors with its beautifully patterned leaves decorated in shades of green, red, and light lime markings. What makes this plant truly fascinating is its unique daily movement, as the leaves gently fold upward at night like hands in prayer. The colorful foliage and flowing growth create a calm, relaxing atmosphere on shelves, desks, or tabletops. Unlike ordinary houseplants, it adds both motion and beauty to indoor spaces. Its artistic leaf patterns and graceful movements make it feel lively, elegant, and naturally decorative throughout the day. Pilea involucrata Moon Valley. It catches attention with its deeply crinkled leaves that look like tiny green valleys carved with bronze highlights. The dramatic texture gives this compact plant a bold three-dimensional appearance unlike smooth leaf houseplants. Its vibrant foliage creates a rich tropical feel while fitting perfectly on desks, shelves, or small indoor spaces. Under soft lighting, the detailed surface of the leaves becomes even more striking and decorative. This plant adds character, texture, and a unique visual depth to indoor plant collections, making it feel like a miniature piece of living jungle art inside the home. Alocasia cuprea. It looks almost unreal with its thick metallic leaves that shine in shades of copper, deep red, and dark green under indoor lighting. The glossy surface reflects light beautifully, giving the plant a futuristic and sculptural appearance. Its dramatic textured foliage creates a luxurious tropical vibe that instantly elevates indoor spaces. Unlike ordinary leafy plants, this Alocasia feels bold, rare, and highly artistic from every angle. The compact growth makes it perfect for tabletops or decorative corners, while its reflective leaves become even more striking as they mature, turning the plant into a true indoor showpiece. Calathea medallion. It brings a rich tropical elegance indoors with its large round leaves decorated in deep green, silver, and purple patterns. The intricate designs on the foliage look almost hand-painted, giving the plant a luxurious and artistic appearance. As the leaves gently move throughout the day and fold slightly at night, the plant adds a sense of life and motion to indoor spaces. Its colorful undersides create an extra layer of beauty when viewed from different angles. This Calathea transforms ordinary corners into vibrant tropical displays with its bold patterns and graceful foliage. Anthurium radicans luxurians. It stands out with its heavily textured quilted leaves that give the plant a rich and luxurious appearance indoors. The dark, deeply ridged foliage creates a dramatic tropical presence that instantly draws attention in any plant collection. Each leaf develops thick sculpted patterns and a leathery texture, making it look almost handcrafted by nature. Unlike smoothleaf houseplants, this rare anthurium adds depth, character, and an exotic rainforest feel to indoor spaces. Its bold foliage becomes even more impressive as the plant matures, turning it into a stunning collector's centerpiece with a unique and highly decorative presence.